Welcome back to part 3 of the making of my challenge log. This is Lockpatch, and we tried it out, it works. So now we have to, the last thing I want to do is to engrave my new logo. Since I'm the Panda-Frog on Reddit, my wife and I created this little logo, and now we try to engrave it. And I will try to engrave it on every log I make. So wish me luck. I have never tried to engrave anything. So let me get up the vise ready and I'll be back. Okay, the log is in the vise, and I don't know if I can make this. It's first time. I tried it, just a line, and was all over the place, but let's see how it turns out. I found out that if you put it on real slow, we can still do the same, but you got more control. I got the engraving tip, so let's see. Alright, it doesn't look too bad for the first time. That's a Panda-Frog, that's me. Created by my wife, engraved by me. And now the thing we have to do, we have to give it a number. And it's Panda-Frog. Let's see. Oops, shit. That's not so good. Panda. I'm not in focus, am I? Sorry. Panda-Frog 041. It's crappy. It's really crappy. Do I have anything to clean it? Alright, so I cleaned it up really quick off camera, and now we engrave it on the side really quickly. And I want to do like Panda-Frog 1. That's my first log, my initials, and we engrave them too. Slow down, brody.
Focus this time. So it's like the official serial number of this log. And I use a Roman one so I don't have to put a lot of zeros.
Is it? This it is. Oh, that's it. Panda-Frog 1. Panda-Frog 1 with my logo. Soon there will be the complete core in it. Let's assemble it. Come on, let's assemble it. Let's be fancy. Because in the other video, when I try to give it out, I don't want to show the key, so it would be great to finish it now. So let's put in this little screwy. And we have Panda-Frog 1. Challenge log is complete, 7240. There's a couple of modifications on the pins. We got my little engraving with the serial number, Panda-Frog 1. I hope you like it, and I like to use this opportunity. Nah, I'm gonna do it in a different video, that's fine. Alright, so that's it from this video. It's a part 3, and this will close the series on making this challenge log. I will do an introduction video to this log before I give it out. Alright, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and I love this lockpicking community. Bye bye.